Hello viewers, welcome to Business Ideas English. Today we are going to explore a unique and profitable agribusiness opportunity, celery root farming, also known as Celeriac Cultivation. If you are looking for a low competition but high demand vegetable business, then this video is for you. Celery root or celeriac is a variety of celery grown mainly for its large round root. Unlike common celery, which is used for stalks, this crop produces a knobby root with a mild celery flavor. It is highly nutritious, rich in fiber, vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium and phosphorus, making it very popular in healthy diets worldwide. Celery root farming can be a profitable venture because of its increasing demand in restaurants, supermarkets, and health-conscious markets. It is an exotic vegetable with less competition, meaning farmers can get a better price compared to traditional crops. Celery root grows best in cool climates with the temperature between 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. It prefers well-drained sandy loam or loamy soil rich in organic matter with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. First, plow the land 2 to 3 times and add farmyard manure or compost. Seeds are very small, so they are usually sown in a nursery bed or seed trays. After 6 to 8 weeks, the seedlings are transplanted into the main field with 30 by 30 cm spacing. Sowing time is between September and October. Celery root requires regular irrigation. The soil should remain moist but not waterlogged. Mulching with straw helps conserve moisture. Balanced use of NPK fertilizers and vermicompost ensures higher yield. Also, foliar sprays of micronutrients like boron and calcium prevent root cracking. For the first 40 days, give light irrigation every 5 to 7 days. When the plant grows, irrigate every 7 to 10 days but water immediately if the soil cracks or dries. Clean the weeds every 15 to 20 days. The main threats are aphids, cutworms and blight disease. Farmers can use crop rotation, neem oil spray and organic pest control methods to protect the crop naturally. Celery root matures in about 90 to 120 days after transplanting. Harvesting is done when roots reach 8 to 10 centimeters in diameter. After cleaning and trimming, they are ready for the market. On average, farmers can harvest 15 to 20 tons per hectare. Because it is considered an exotic vegetable, prices are higher than regular vegetables, making celery root farming a profitable agribusiness venture. Celery root has a huge business potential. It can be supplied fresh to supermarkets, restaurants, and hotels. It also has export opportunities in countries with growing demand for organic and exotic vegetables. Additionally, it can be processed into soups, powders, or pickles for value addition. So friends, this is how you can start celery root farming and turn it into a profitable business. It's a unique crop, high in demand, and perfect for anyone looking for a sustainable farming venture. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Business Ideas English for more farming and business ideas. See you in the next video.